Hey guys, it's Shane here with BrickDriven Realty. Today I want to talk about how to properly negotiate a win-win real estate deal. Recently I had a question from one of our agents, and the question was, how do you create a win-win real estate deal in real estate for everyone? The ability to negotiate effectively is a crucial skill for agents to possess when representing their clients in a real estate transaction. However, successful negotiations go beyond securing a favorable outcome for one party. To properly negotiate a win-win deal, there are three things you can do. First, understand the needs and motivations of all parties. Take the time to learn about both parties' goals, their constraints, non-negotiables, and of course, their needs and expectations. This knowledge empowers you to negotiate terms and prices that meet the seller's requirements while appealing to prospective buyers. Secondly, establish open and transparent communication. Prioritize clear and frequent communication to ensure all parties are well informed throughout the negotiation process. Transparency builds trust and fosters a cooperative environment, increasing the chances of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Last but not least, seek creative solutions and compromises. Be willing to think beyond traditional negotiation parameters and find innovative ways to bridge gaps between buyers and sellers. By actively engaging in problem solving and considering various perspectives, agents can uncover win-win solutions that may not have been initially clear. If you have any other questions about how to create a win-win real estate solution for both clients involved in a transaction, feel free to reach out to myself or any of our leadership team here at BrickDriven Realty. We'd love to sit down and talk with you. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and if you don't mind, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.